How to clear cache on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. You can either clear your cache via your TikTok app itself or go to settings. Let's go ahead and look at the first option. Open your app and then tap on three-bar icon. Select settings and privacy. At this page, you have to scroll below. Under cache and cellular, you will see free up space. Tap onto it and here you will see cache, clear it. Now this being one way, here's another way. Launch your settings, scroll all the way below, then tap on apps. Here also you have to search for your TikTok application. Once you do so, enter, and then wait for this to load. Once you see TikTok, you have to open it. Scroll below, tap on storage, and clear cache. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.